everybody, again Zarifa here, Azerbaijani vlogger. And as you know guys, now three countries foreign ministers, Azerbaijan, Turkey and Pakistan foreign ministers are in a meeting in Pakistan. And today I decided to come and visit one of the youngest and very successful businessmen from Pakistan living in Azerbaijan, and I want to ask about what he's expecting from this meeting and what he's thinking about future.
My name is Zohaib. I'm from Pakistan. Currently I'm living in Azerbaijan. I'm 24 years old and currently I'm looking after two businesses in Azerbaijan.
Mr. Zohaib, as you know, this is very important meeting for these three countries, and I want to ask about what's your expectations after this meeting?
Well, I am highly expected good things, and first of all this meeting is very important for three countries, Pakistan, Azerbaijan and Turkey. And you know, like in recent days Pakistanis are moving to Turkey and Azerbaijan for business, and by the help of this meeting it will help us to increase our business by the import and export. And as you know, like they are making this trainway and the Silk Road between Azerbaijan, Pakistan and Turkey, and I'm pretty sure like it will help my business and other Pakistani businessmen who are living in Azerbaijan, and like my expectations are very high and I think it will be good for us.
What's your experience about life and your business in Azerbaijan as a Pakistani nation?
Well, I would like to add, like so far it's been very good here. Like people are very respectful when you walk on the street, you go to market or you meet some strangers. They're always very respectful. And apart from that, like if you start a right business, Azerbaijan and especially Baku is a very good city. And like I'm very happy so far, and I'm like looking forward to live here for I don't know, like very long time. And so far it's very good. I like this country very much.
What do you think? After this meeting, something will change in your business or other Pakistani people which they have a business in Azerbaijan?
Well, it's a very good question and very broad. First of all, like the business currently I'm doing, it has nothing to do with this two-country relationship. But the business I'm planning, and the most of the Pakistanis are doing, it's like import business. Like they're importing like so many stuff from Pakistan, but now it's very hard because there's no direct route from Pakistan to Azerbaijan, so they can bring very cheaply, like you can bring from Turkey. So by the help of this meeting and this silkway and the railroad, I think the business will improve so much. Like we can export few things from Azerbaijan to Pakistan, and we can import few things from Pakistan to Azerbaijan. So I think from businessmen from both sides will get a lot of benefits from this meeting and from these railroads and silk roads. So yeah, I think it will be very beneficial for us. One more thing I would like to add here is like I really wish that they also must start like Pakistan business house and trade house in Azerbaijan, because I'm also expecting so many business from Pakistan to Azerbaijan, so it will help us more.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Achato Akhibat, what's your message, Mr. Zohaib, to Pakistani people which they are abroad and which they are inside the country living in Azerbaijan?
Well, first of all, I would like to praise your country, Azerbaijan, and especially Baku. It's very peaceful, very nice, people are very friendly, and since so far like I'm enjoying my time, and it has been very good experience for me. And the new Pakistanis who are coming for a business in Azerbaijan, I would just like to tell them, like don't just come for all the business that you want, that you're thinking in Pakistan that you want to do and do. First you should come here, you should visit, you should see the country, which product or which thing has demand here, then start the business. It will help to save your money and your time and a lot of things, like, because so many people that come here without having any knowledge or any information about this country and the market structure, and they just lose their business. So it would be very nice if you just come for a visit, but it's a very good country for a business if you have the right direction and the right business, and it's very good. The country is thriving and it's very good, peaceful, and police is very good, everything is good. So I think why not, it's a very good country and you should come.
Thank you very much for your advices.
Thank you so much.
So we reach end of the video, and I hope this meeting will be foundation stone of bright future of these three countries, Azerbaijan, Pakistan and Turkey. And Azerbaijan, Pakistan, Turkey तीन मुल्क व एक कौम है. I am here exclusively for PTN Urdu News channel. I am here as foundation stone of these three countries for the bright future of this country. So, guys, diyeyim. And And no, I'm just repeating. And go here.